Hey guys, welcome back to Shawn's Broncos. And today's video, it's a pretty simple one. Keep it nice and short for you guys. It's just about something else I unboxed. I'm ordering all kinds of parts and I want to share them with you guys. This time I got me some new C-Bushings for my radius arms I'm going to be installing. And I'm putting the T-Rex arms on from James Duff. My C-Bushings are also from James Duff. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. We do weekend warrior stuff here with reviews and installs and removals and stuff based on the 72 Ford Bronco behind me. Anyways, let's get to it. So here we go. These are the C-Bushings for my radius arms, T-Rex radius arms. These ones here are 4 degree, and I used to have, still have currently 7 degree bushings because I'm running a 2.5 inch suspension. And so remember to read the information on the inside. It actually tells you like front, bottom, rear, bottom, stuff like that. When you go and install them, because they are directional, you want to make sure you put them in the right direction. And these ones are definitely a lot firmer than the ones that are in there now. I don't even know how long the ones that are in there now have been in there. So here, let's take a peek. Okay, here we are, front of the Bronco underneath. And as you can see, these C-Bushings are, who knows, maybe original. I kind of want to say they're not original, but the fact that it already had a 2.5 inch lift on it originally, so when I bought it, therefore they probably replaced the C-Bushings at the time, which would have been 7 degree C-Bushings. Yeah, so yeah, those will be replaced. I got new C-cabs and new radius arms, as well as new front steering components that I'll be installing. Got a lot of things coming up. Just got to find the time to do it. Just a quick, simple unboxing of something new that I wanted to share with you guys, and got more to come. All right, take care, stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. Bye.